Hi, I'm Nick Shackleton-Jones, author of How People Learn, and the question is, can robots replace teachers? Well, first, I'm assuming by robots we don't actually mean a kind of a physical Terminator-style robot, but something more like artificial intelligence. And the answer to the question is, sometimes it can, and sometimes it's a terrible idea. So when can it be a good idea? Well, think about GPS in your car. When you're trying to get from A to B, having an algorithm, a computer, give you little bits of information, little prompts at the right points in time can be really handy. But no, it's not actually improving your learning. If anything, it's actually reducing your learning, but it will improve your performance. So to summarize, in that context, having an artificial device or algorithm to improve your performance can be a really good idea. But what about the other condition? When we're trying to get people to develop, quite often that's about understanding what matters to them and making them care more or about something new. And actually, computers don't care. That's something that they can't do. And so in those contexts, it's really important, if you're having somebody mentoring you or guiding you or building your capability, to have somebody who really understands you, what matters to you, and who can respond to you and demonstrate that they care.